Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 in torch red on black leather interior with the 2LT package. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. I'll let you have a look. So I've got the target top removed. It is color matched to the vehicle. Clips in nicely, as you can see here. Behind it there is a net there for storage, so it does pull up and give you some room. In the back here, here's our engine bay. So we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 490 horsepower, and that's paired to the automatic transmission there. And we've got the paddle shifters as well. So this one has the mag ride. So there's the cable going to the strut tower for your adjustable suspension. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy underneath there. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid here. It does have soft close, so I'll just press it down gently and it will close the rest of the way. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package. We've got carbon flash metallic here on the lower part behind the glass. You've got your rear camera for your rear view mirror up there. And then we'll just step back. We've got the nice Z51 spoiler on this. Looks great. We've got the LED tail lights, dual exhaust. So we've got two pipes on this side and two pipes on this side. So that's great. And we also have proximity parking sensors that are built into the bumper there as well, to let you know if you are getting close to an item behind you. And then we have our reverse camera back up here. So we'll just shift around this side here, let you have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got the nice black Z51 wheels on it. We've got the black painted Corvette calipers, nice Michelin tires on there. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic accent around the vent. And then here we are at the passenger side. So we've got nice baseball stitching that runs along the door. We've got memory seats for the passenger. We've got the Bose Performance Series 2 stereo, your power window and our power locks and electronic door release with a nice little pocket down below in the door card. So here's your kick plate on the passenger side, which actually still has the factory wrapping on it, so it's well protected there. And then on our passenger seat, we've got power 4 aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat. It is the GT2 seat with the baseball stitching, nice perforated leather, heated and cooled seat. And we've got the embossed Corvette logo there on the top of the headrest with the carbon fiber inlay here. Looks great. So let's hop in. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy, looks good. And let's check out the glove box. So it's just the button here. We do have the books and we've got the wheel lock key with the car as well. So that's great. More baseball stitching that runs along the dash. Check out the upper side of the dash, looks great. Everything's in good shape. So we'll just hop out. We'll close this side up. There we are. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Wow, look at the paint glimmer. It just looks beautiful right now. Awesome looking car. Here's your mirror. Mirror's done in carbon flash metallic as well. And it does have the blind spot monitor indicator in it as well. Those are power folding mirrors too. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice Z51 wheels, black Z51 calipers, and nice Michelin tires there. So we'll come over to the front of the car. We've got some extra goodies that came with the car here. We've got a Corvette car cover that comes with the bag. So nice sized space, and there is a factory net that's built in there as well. So there's your washer fluid top up, and I believe this one's brake fluid there as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this. There it is, and I'll just step back so you can see. Looks great, sharp looking car. We've got nice LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, and then we've got our curved view camera. So there's one of them on this side. As you can see, everything is in really good shape. Looks great. Lower chin strap is in good shape as well. Awesome looking car. There it is from the top. Let you have a look at the condition. In terms of stone chips, let's see. I think that's one little guy right there. And let's see if I can find anything else. Yeah, that's about it. So that just one little spot there is what I see. Just want to share that with you. And we'll just swing around this side. So here's your driver's front wheel. So again, nice black Z51 wheels, black Z51 calipers, Michelin tires, and painted rotors. And we'll just have a look at the back one here. Same thing. And here's your fuel door, which is just a press. And it is a capless design as well, so that's great. And over here, we've got again, the Bose Performance Series 2 stereo. We've got a memory seat for the driver. We've got our power mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows, power locks, electronic door release, and the front and trunk releases. So here's your kick plate on the driver's side. It's in great shape, as you can see. Looks awesome. And again, here's your seat. So power fore, aft, up, down, recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And we'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks fabulous. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. And then let's get in and turn this one on. All right, so it's just a push button on this side. So we'll go ahead and press it. There it is. Comes to life. So in terms of kilometers, we have 4,480, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Let's have a look. Down here, we've got our heads-up display control. We've got our dimmer knob here. We've got electronic parking brake down below. On the steering wheel, you've got your paddle shifter, so minus. Then you've got your plus on this side. We've got a heated steering wheel, voice command, telephone controls. The arrow keys control the dash. So it just cycles through your different options here. Okay, so that's great. Down below is your volume, favorite or track changes on this side, cruise control buttons here, and there's your Z performance button. So when we press that, it puts it into a performance mode or puts it back to the previous mode there as well. So that's very cool. And then we've got our wiper control on this stock here. Again, push button start. We've got a physical home button that we can press. It takes us to the home. So you've got audio, phone, nav, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got PDR. So there's your performance data recorder there. We'll go back to home. Climate controls can be displayed up here as well, which is very neat. Cameras, so there's your front view camera. If we hit this guy, there's your reverse camera. There's also a quick button to the camera here, traction control. This is your shifter, so we've got park, we've got reverse, we've got neutral, and then we've got drive, and then manual mode down here, and then back into park. This mode selector here is very neat. It's covered in leather. It's got a nice brushed aluminum plaque here, and then below is the knob. So you just twist the knob, and we've got sport mode, track mode. We'll go again. Oh, doesn't go any further that way, so you got to go back. Sport, normal, my mode, weather, and that's it. So we'll just leave it right there. That's perfect. And then there's a view of the key. So it's got lock unlock, it's got a remote starter, the 2 trunk releases, and a panic button. We've got a cup holder here which closes nicely, and then we've got our HVAC controls. So you've got your driver's side temperature control here, heated and cooled seat. You can sync the 2 zones, automatic, how you want the air to come out, the blower level on and off, rear defrost, front defrost, heated cooled seats, and then the passenger temperature control down here. So very neat. And then up top we've got our OnStar buttons, 4-way flashers, our frameless rear view mirror, and then behind me we've got our Stingray logo with a speaker, and we've got a wireless charger for a phone as well. So lots of goodies. Oh, and I also forgot to mention it does have power tilt and telescopic steering wheel on that side as well. And I'll let you see if I can shut off the lights. There's the heads-up display, and let's change the info so you can put different items on there as well. So we'll just hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Wow, what a nice car. And let's turn those lights back on. We'll have a look from the front. There it is with the headlights on, sharp looking car. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you. It's in great shape, as you can see. There's those nice tail lights. exhaust note for you. There you have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.